Today we're going to be talking about greatest common factor. I've already filled in the words. So GCF stands for greatest common factor. It means the biggest, and common means same. And factors are numbers we multiply. And all of this greatest common factor will be really helpful when we go to simplify fractions later on in the unit. So to find greatest common factor, in elementary school, we would list all the factors of 24, all the factors of 36, find all the ones they have in common, then find the greatest common factor. In 6th grade, we're going to use a little shortcut called the cake method or the ladder method. I use the ladder method because I go in an order of down, so that means that it looks like a ladder at the end. So we have the numbers 24 and 36. I want to pick a number that I can divide both of these numbers by. They're both even. I know I can use 2. There's other numbers. So I'm not going to use 2. I'm going to use 3. I know 3 can go into both of them. So I know if I take 24 divided by 3, I get 8. And if I take 36 divided by 3, I'll get 12. Now 8 and 12, I know 2. They're both even, so I know 2 can go into them. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 12 divided by 2 is 6. I'm looking at these two numbers. I see 4 and 6 are even also, so I know I can divide by 2 again. So I'm going to do it again. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Once I get to the bottom, 2 and 3 can only be divided by 1. If there was another number that they could be divided by, I would have to keep going. But once you see that the only number we can divide by is 1, you can stop because you are done. To find the greatest common factor, we look here at the left-hand side, the numbers they have in common, and we multiply. So we're going to take 3 times 2 times 2. I know 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. So our GCF, or greatest common factor, of 24 and 36 is 12.